Hello guys, welcome back to this kitchen. If you ever crave for juicy and tasty grilled chicken, then stick around as I share with you the simplest way to grill your chicken at home with readily available ingredients that will make your chicken come out great and tasty. Now let's get started. And here I've gotten a whole chicken that I've already washed and cleaned behind the camera. I'll set it aside and now let's prepare the ingredients we'll be using for marinating the chicken. So the first ingredient I have here is green scotch bonnet pepper. Of course you know that green scotch bonnet pepper has special flavor and it is also spicy. So after picking them, I added them to the blender and set aside. And the next ingredient is spring onions. I'll cut them and also add them to the blender. I've already washed both of them behind the camera. After adding them to the blender, add little water to it and blend smoothly. And after blending and it becomes smooth, transfer it to a bowl and set aside. And now place a cooking pan on a stove top. Add some vegetable oil. Go in with some butter. Allow to melt completely and also for the oil to heat up. Once the oil becomes a little bit hot, go in with some mashed garlic and stir fry for about a minute. After frying for a minute, add in some blended onions and also stir fry. Go ahead and fry this for about 2 minutes. This will make our chicken more tasty and flavorful. And after frying for 2 minutes, remove from the heat and this is how it looks like. And now add it to the blended green scotch bonnet pepper and spring onions. And now let's begin to add other ingredients. First I added some salt, curry powder, thyme, seasoning cubes, and some tomato paste. I made this tomato paste myself. If you want to learn how to make tomato paste, please check the description box for the video link. After adding all the ingredients, mix together for them to be well combined. And after mixing together, set aside. Now let's bring back our chicken. I'll be placing it on a chopping board. And next I'll make some incision on it with a kitchen knife. I'm doing this so that the ingredients can penetrate into the chicken. As you can see, I made incision all over the chicken. Once that is properly done, we go ahead and marinate the chicken with the ingredients. Take some portion of the ingredients and rub on the chicken. Brush the outside and the inside of the chicken with the ingredients and make sure to do this properly. As you can see, I just turned the other side of the chicken to rub in the ingredients. And after rubbing all over the chicken, also marinate inside with the ingredients. This is to ensure that every part of the chicken is tasty. And after marinating the chicken, it is time to grill. But before I place the chicken on the rack, I arrange some sliced onions on the rack before placing the chicken on it. The onions will also add some aroma and flavor to the grilled chicken. And after arranging it on the rack, place the chicken gently on the sliced onions. And now we take to the oven to grill. We are going to be grilling this for about 15 minutes to an hour. And after 25 minutes of grilling, this is how it looks like. Now go ahead and rub in the remaining ingredients. As you can see, I'm rubbing the ingredients all over the chicken in the areas where there are no much ingredients. And after rubbing in the ingredients, take to the oven and grill once again. And after 15 minutes of grill, this is how our chicken looks like. It is ready to be enjoyed. This looks so beautiful with great aroma. Simple to prepare and very tasty. Give this a try and let me know how it came out for you in the comments. Please don't forget to like and share this with your loved ones. And now you can see how easy it is to grill your own chicken at home. Please don't forget to subscribe to Udu's Kitchen and turn on the bell icon for more great recipe from this channel. Thanks so much for spending your precious time with me. See you in the next one.